Here we are in Phoenix, Arizona at Canyon Creek, and we have Shane here with the Gate Guys to tell us about this SureFi installation.
Sure. We've got a property that takes up about 3 city blocks by 3 city blocks. It's got a main front entry with an entry exit. The problem was we had these 2 back exits that they wanted remote control access for their residents to come through. So the cost of trenching across an entire property to central access control this was cost prohibitive. We started using your products a little while back, and it's a perfect solution for being able to access control the gates on a hold open schedule, as well as using remotes through, like, say, a Door King or a linear access system. It saved tens of thousands of dollars in trenching and wiring, not to mention months of time. And they work great. We're at little less than a half a mile distance right now, and we have perfect signal. From the front call unit through 5 buildings to this back exit gate, we've got just shy of a half a mile at 40% signal.
On this property, there were also 8 laundry room doors in need of access control. Shane here was able to install SureFi units on each of these doors. All 8 of the controller units were installed in a centrally located area for easy access.
For the Wiegand bridges, took us about a day to install both gate systems and 8 laundry doors.
For reference, here's where all 10 SureFi remote interfaces are located on the property at Canyon Creek.